Happy Friday, kids. Today you're going to do a review on coordinate graphing. Remember, one of your 6th grade standards is that you can graph or determine the coordinates of a point in a coordinate plane. So, remember, left is negative, right is positive, up is positive, down is negative. You always have to go right or left from the origin first, then up or down. So I did A for you. So if you look, you go 1, 2 to the right to get to underneath A, and then you go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's positive 2, positive 4. I brought the little white box, positive 2, positive 4 up to A. Let's do B because it's in quadrant 2, and I want to remind you how to do that. So if we're at 0 and I go 1 to the left, that's negative 1. And then it looks like we go up how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have negative 1, positive 5 because I went up. So I'm going to look through these. I'm going to find negative 1, positive 5. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to drag that up to B. Negative 1, positive 5. I'm going to drop these both back down. You guys that watch the video will be getting those two correct because you saw me do them. Make sure that you remember that these are always positive, positive. Over here in quadrant 2 are negative positive numbers. Here in quadrant 3, you're going to have a negative and another negative. And over here in quadrant 4, you're going to have a positive and then a negative. Good luck. If you have any questions, email me or GoGuardian me if I'm on GoGuardian.